starting with the name of Allah who is the most merciful and almighty. आज का हमारा जो टॉपिक है वो है कन्वर्जन ऑफ सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस इनटू पैसिव. सिंपल प्रेजेंट या प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट टेंस को पैसिव में किस तरह कन्वर्ट करना है. उसके लिए बहुत कुछ रूल्स रेगुलेशंस हैं, आपको उसी को फॉलो करना है और फिर हम प्रैक्टिस पर आ जाएंगे ताकि आपको अच्छी तरह इनकलकेट या ज़हन नशीन हो जाए. और so conversion of simple present tense into passive voice. Rules for conversion. We have some rules, just keep this in mind. 5 rules are common which are for each and every tense. Only one rule is changed, which is helping verb. You have to use a specific helping verb for every tense if you want to convert it into passive voice. So rule number first, subject will be changed with object, or subject will be replaced with object and object will be replaced with the subject. This is the rule number 1. Rule number 2, third form of verb is used. Which form of verb is used? Third form of verb is used. Or past participle form of verb is used. Okay? Rule number 3, only transitive words are changed. Only transitive words. Those words that need an object will be changed into passive. Okay? Use of by. Use of by as a preposition, but you should be conscious about some words like marry to and need will take marry, no and need will take to, and please will take will. Do you remember?
Yes.
Okay, helping words helping word for passive is M and R. You have to use specific helping verb while converting active into passive. Shin, he, she, it, a singular noun will take shin. Shin means she, he, it, a noun, singular noun. It will take is, I will take M and W, T, Y. Y, we, they and you, they will take R. What the point?
Yes,
now let's come to practice. हमारे पास कुछ सेंटेंसेस है जिसको आप कोशिश करते हैं कि किस में कन्वर्ट कर जाए, पैसिव में कन्वर्ट कर जाए. ओके, सो वी हैव sentence number first, Ali beats his brother. Is it a transitive sentence or intransitive? It is transitive because the object is his brother. His brother is object. So you have to bring his brother according to the rule and according to the structure. Let me write its structure. First of all, you have to write the object, then plus S or M or then word, but third form, word 3, okay?
Yes.
Plus Y plus subject. Got?
Yes.
This is the structure. Now according to this structure, object is brother. It will take is R or M. It will take or no. It will take is because it refers to a single person, his brother. His, it is used as an adjective, while brother is a noun, so it tells us something about this. So it is used as a single person. If I had written like his brothers, so then I would have used what? His brother is beaten, and beaten by Ali. Got? It's all about that. If you want to make it negative, how can you make it negative? Ali does not beat his brother. His brother is not beaten by Ali. Got? Sentence number 2. They laugh at the poor. They laugh at the poor. वो किन पर हंसते हैं? गरीबों पर. तो ये हमारे पास हुआ क्या? Object. ये हुआ subject. और laugh at, ये अपनी connected ही यूज करना है. ये यहाँ पर as a preposition यूज नहीं होता, ये यहाँ पर as a verb phrase, verb के साथ अपने इसको इस्तेमाल करना है. For example, how can we convert this into passive? Poor. You can also use is as well as are with poor, because poor, the word poor refers to both singular and plural. For one poor you have to use poor, more than two you have to use poor. Like fish is used for singular as well as for plural. Got? Okay. So poor is our poor or laughed at by them. They will be converted into them. Is it easy?
Yes, sir.
Got the point?
Yes, sir.
If you want to make it negative, so poor or not loved and by them. If you want to make it interrogative, so or poor
Love and abandonment.
or poor loved and by them, and you have to put sign of interrogation right there. Okay? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, who knocks at the door? Who knocks at the door? This is an exceptional sentence. It's very important, extremely important. Who will be converted into by whom? To whom? By. Keep it in mind, okay? So, by whom is the door knocked at? Got? अगर आपके पास इसी तरह की स्ट्रक्चर की कुछ सेंटेंस आ जाए तो आपने इसको किस तरह कन्वर्ट करना है? को किस में कन्वर्ट करना है आपने? बाय होम को, बाय होम में, ओके? Okay, the next sentence, a boy wearing black dress hits a big six. आपने बताना है यहाँ पर सब्जेक्ट क्या हुआ हमारे पास? A boy. This is the subject. हमारे पास अब ऑब्जेक्ट क्या है? वर्ब क्या है? No. No. Hits. This is the word. This all makes a subject. 5 words. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This all indicates a subject. This is not word. Okay. Wearing black dresses. These are adjectives. Okay. So these 5 words make it a subject. So this is a subject. This is a word, and this is object. A big six. A big six is object. So bring the object at the start. A big six. How it will be? A big six. A big six. Then is rm is. नहीं समझते इसको? समझते हैं इसको? You understand? A big six is. 6 refers to 1 6. That's why I have used is. Okay? Is hit. ये तीनों हमारे पास इसका सेम ही है. फर्स्ट फॉर्म, सेकंड फॉर्म एंड थर्ड फॉर्म. फॉर एग्जांपल रीड. इसी जीरो वर्ड कहते हैं. क्या कहते हैं इसको? जिसके तमाम फॉर्म्स एक जैसे हो. ओके, a big six is hit by अब क्या ले जाना है आपको? by a boy wearing black dress. Very good. A boy wearing black and यहाँ पर हमारे पास dress. Got the point?
Yes, sir.
Any issue? Any problem?